everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the vitrification process. This is a very important remediation process. So let us see what is vitrification. Vitrification is the specialized technique used to treat contaminated soils and waste by converting them into stable glass-like substances through high temperature melting and solidification. This method particularly is effective for immobilizing hazardous contaminants including heavy metals, radioactive materials and organic pollutants by encapsulating them within a glass matrix. And here let us see about the remedy, how this remediation process works. First one is the site characterization. We all know what is for site characterization, so I need not repeat it. And second is soil preparation. So the contaminated soil or waste is excavated and it is transported to another facility where the vitrification plant is there, and the soil may be screened, sorted or pre-treated to remove the debris, aggregates or large objects before vitrification. And third one is the melting process. We have two processes of melting. One is a batch melting and continuous melting. In batch melting, the contaminated soil or waste is placed in high temperature furnace or melter where it is heated to a temperature of 1000 to 2000 degrees centigrade. The heat causes the soil, the waste to melt and liquefy, forming a molten glass-like material. Next one is the continuous melting. In continuous melting, the contaminated soil or waste is fed into a continuously operating melter furnace where it is heated or melted as it moves through the system. This process allows for continuous processing of large volumes of contaminated materials. So, batch means step by step, little by little this step. Here we are going for continuous process. And next one is the chemical reaction. During melting, contaminants in the soil or waste undergo chemical reactions and transformation. The organic contaminants are oxidized and decomposed, while heavy metals and other inorganic contaminants are incorporated into the glass matrix, are converted into stable compounds. And next one is solidification. We have got a glassy mass. We have to go for solidification and cooling. After melting, the molten glass-like material is poured and cast into molds or containers where it is solidified, cools to form a stable glassy product. Rapid cooling techniques may be employed for this process. And next one is the quality control and monitoring. Here we have the vitrification process over. Quality control measures are implemented to ensure treat and effectiveness and compliance with the regulatory standards. And next one is residue management. After heating, the residues such as vitrified glass, off gas, slag are collected, treated and disposed in accordance with regulatory requirements. And the vitrified glass may be used as a construction material, encapsulated in containers or disposed in a secure landfill. So now what are the advantages? We go for advantages. For permanent immobilization of hazardous contaminants, because it does not escape. The materials hazardous contaminants does not escape, and volume reduction is possible. Versatile for treating a wide range of contaminants, and it is compatible with other remediation methods, and also its potential for recycling or reuse of vitrified glass in construction materials or industrial applications. And what are the limitations means? We have again the energy requirement, potential for off-gas emissions during heating. There may be off-gas emissions. Site-specific factors are also involved in it, and also regulatory approval. And we have to go for the health of the workers, and also safety of the workers has to be taken into concern. So overall, remediation by vitrification is a proven and effective technology for treating contaminated soil and waste, particularly for those containing hazardous or persistent contaminants. This is often employed as a part of integrated remediation strategy that combine vitrification with other treatment methods. So I hope you all have understood about vitrification.